us grounded? What makes us move? Mind and soul, two lenses, each with their groove. A map of the heart, so vivid, so deep, where the truth of our being quietly sleeps. Lost in the psyche, stuck on repeat, but purpose lies waiting, steady and sweet. Face the shadows, embrace what's inside. To freedom we walk when we no longer hide. Two sides of a coin, silence and sound, mind and soul in harmony found. A mirror that shows us who we are meant to be. Transformation begins when we choose to see. The mind tries to lead, but it has no end. Caught in cycles of thought it can't transcend. But the Enneagram opens the door, lifting us higher to what we're made for. What blocks the peace we're longing to know? A self-made illusion that won't let it show. Yet love and truth burning deep within reveal the path no one else has been. Two voices, one song, silence and sound, mind and soul in harmony found. A mirror that shows us who we are at our core. Transformation begins, unlocking the door. To be free, alive with a mindful gaze, breaking old patterns, escaping the maze, calling God an ideal, the truest light. It all leads us inward, where we find what's right. Two sides of the same coin, silence and sound, day and night, where balance is found. The walls dissolve, unity takes flight, a journey through shadows.